Inside Story Uganda, real source of political updates.
Mu African Cup
emipiira gifudde,
empira abantu basamba
omupiira baguyingizamu ebyobufuzi.
nze nga ngamba nti mukwano gw'omagogo yagwonoonye
ate mulindwa gwe mwakuba tikana akatabo nakawandiika mulindwa nampa emmotoka
kituufu motoka nagirabyeko nebifaananyi tubitwala simanyi obadde onya biteeseteese totunda otereka buteresi
twategeeragana shiriki yange bwegendera twategeeragana ne mulindwa ojja kufuna ssente ate tugula endala ekyo kirabo kya
emmotoka yiyo nga ku screen emmotoka nga bwogiraba yeeyo
nabagamba nti wusipa kitongole kibi nnyo because wusipa has the powers to dictate who is who.
Okay.
Amawulire ga wano gayina ekyo tuyita name calling oba baptism in propaganda mavari keruchamuzi These were smart mukulu
abatugobera ku TV emmotoka jora ku screen yeyo mmoloka omukulu je yawa Mzee Tamale
yigirita 15 years ago
15 years ago ne okuma mmoloka ngekyali
ekirabo munno kyakuwadde ne bwe basuuti ngoli yagikubanga tu buli lwogende wo kigenderamu. Yes. Don't know public relations.
Okay.
I've maintained that vehicle yajigula ne kadi yayo najimba.
Teri kuuza mbale sima kadi wabula bibi. Okay, tugende mu maaso.
Ndi baani aboononye
omupiira mu nsi yatu Uganda.
Wusipa ye number emu. Is a strong organization, influencing leadership, ba mafia bagiyingiramu. Wusipa. Bali batta abantu for organize masaka. Wusipa yatwala sente mu kasala.
Na alati jenda bi NGF ngewoninga abantu tujja kujjawa
kali nkugamba another deadly group in our soccer comprises of the betting agencies. They are deadly everywhere they exist. Like scavengers, they don't mind about the game. Their only motive is money. In developed countries, betting companies are under strict control. But in gullible societies, societies cowards, they are not subjected to strict monitoring. They can pocket inverted commas everybody, including ministers, Uganda Revenue Authority, and those who would monitor them. Take for example, some media outlets that run paid for betting adverts. They promote these chance games 24 hours a day as if they are a full-time employment. It is common for newspapers and FM radio stations to hire bet experts in inverted commas called Akadirisa to guide on how to spot winning teams, which is a lie. How can a hyena become a market master? How can a bet company which needs money give accurate advice to those who want to win against it? This is the gullibility of the highest order, and the journalists involved are just idiots, and they are stupid, and the stupidity of the highest order. Anybody who believes in this is a fool. Ntipokedde kuteremu akadiso owangule ne baleta ba experts, so-called experts. Awo kakati yo coach teyali taddemu gumanyiki awe kati yakoze ensobi nalikoze stupidity. All of these sports good programs are paid for. Kati awo ejenfudu kati awo gonde teka wano these are paid sente bazichimawa
bazijeri mu
betting babagula nenkugamba I'm hitting the bet companies.
Okay.
How do you expect your co-wife who doesn't want you to produce a hair for your husband identify a gynecologist for you to produce his sons? Thus, whenever you find uncontrolled betting companies, football cannot grow. They are capable of influencing soccer results through fixing matches and buying off players and coaches. How much do our players earn as wages and allowances? What stakes do they have for the good of the game? How do we protect them from our competitors ahead of big matches? The same factors affecting sports arrangement, management, and players are prevalent among prominent coaches. The coaches have been cited in fixture scams at the expense of their nzesewuni. Ndio nomusajja wa Mani yagenda gundi yagwa Mani yagwa
Ferguson.
It happened to City Council. Immediately Bidandi stopped coaching them. Yagwa. Bidandi was an expert.
Okay.
City Council was winning cups after cup as Bidandi was the coach. At one time Bidandi spent most of his time doing his time nga coaching Cranes.
Okay.
Ini yagano okuwagira abayekera. Kyaligonza namuweereza akapapula tindi wano mu nsiko mpeereza ssente. N'abagamba yabatumira mwana nze siyekera. Kyaligonza akugamba mu kitabo kye. Titwadde abaana babiri ne tubalekawo ne tugenda. Abaana baffe baali surrounded. We are forced to move during the day.
Okay.
Tibidandi n'abawaayi. Kateega yakugamba nange naliwa kabalagala nga neekwesa ow'omuntu ne mupeereza Bidandi akabaluwa Nyambe. N'agamba nti awandiike n'empandiika. Timba ndi awo ku balukoni ng'omwana akomyewo omuto eyayogera. Ankaze n'abasirikale Kateega yagamba natuuka mu balukoni neneekwekawo. Kakati Bidandi we yategeera yabekera bayinza
okumutta.
Muwanga n'amutwala Luzira nga Looja. He spent most of his time in Luzira Looja.
Okay.
Kati nkugamba soccer, war and politics and business bifaanagana.
Soccer, omupiira, olutalo ne business
bifaanagana. Nkugamba there are several similarities between soccer, war, politics and business. All central concepts are affecting millions of people. I often use similes to illustrate my points to the ordinary folks. They are very strong communication tools for message delivery, especially to the rural educated societies. They are words in everyone use. It is in this vein that I often tell my FM radio programs audiences that a loss is unpredictable. If a patient admitted in hospital, before you visit him to see him, you will encounter two conflicting situations. You imagine to either finding him dead or still alive. We call this the inoculation theory. You must prepare yourself for either good news, bad or good. This is why there are mortuaries in all of the big hospitals.
Yes.
Genda ng'omanyi.
Either
omusanga
obutamusanga.
Oba obutamusanga.
Bwe kiri.
Toyina garanti nti ojja musanga.
Ojja musanga eva ajja kubanga mulamu.
Era bw'osanga obuuza agenze kunaaba nti nedda ali muggwanika.
Ali muggwanika.
That's why these bazungu, every big hospital has a mortuary to tell you that some are cured, some die.
True.
And even a cannibal cannot come and retrieve a day. You pay the bills.
Kituufu.
Kakati nkugamba nti nze nkozesa nnyo obugero as a mass communicator. Kati ekyo kitegedde. Nkugamba the cops, if in them were patient, you must understand that the cops in the mortuary were once patient.
Baliko abalwadde.
Previously undergoing medical treatment. This doesn't mean that the doctors failed their role, because they are the same who save others, other lives. The same ideology is true of business, soccer, war, and politics. However shrewd a businessman is, she or he is mindful of either gaining a profit or incurring a loss in every transaction engaged. One businessman can profitable sell a commodity in the same city market that has others failed.
Bwe kiri.
Bwe batusoma marketing batugamba titugambanga nti ebintu biri byo abantu tebakyagula. Look into another supermarket. Maybe we're still selling all the commodities which are expensive. Maybe a new entrant has come in the market tugamba bugambi nti
tebikyatama ebintu byagaana
amasuuti amalungi tugajjawo
kituufu
ate wano mu Uganda tebalanga go to Britain mugende mulabe obuyumba obwedda bino bya window shopping byabayindi bwe babitwala mu Bulaaya but you advertise these people mwabali ku TV singa muyina mafacturers nge Kenya singa ojja ne suuti ng'eteereddwako nti esangibwa wano would be advertising
abantu tebagala kulanga munna
tebalina ssente teri feasibility study gyotwala mu banka ngega nti nja kukola losses emyezi 6 tebakuwola teryakuwola ekitegeeza biri artificial these are money lenders that's why kati nkugamba in war a soldier must understand that he or she either kills first in order to survive enemy fire or be ready to pay with his own life. Likewise, in soccer, fans must bear in mind that their team can lose or win. A win is not automatically guaranteed, and that is the essence why soccer remains the most popular of all sports because of its unpredictability. Omupiira kasita okuteeka mu computer guba gufudde gwina okubeera mu errors ezo era these people don't know one of the coaches the history of card a coach was moving nayimirira ku bitaala ekya green nekijja ekya yellow nekijja ekya red nekijja mwe mwava card zero zebagaba
yellow ne red wezava
yes imagined and we use these colors in football. In the soccer.
Okay.
He eliminated the green one.
Red ne yellow.
Yabijja ku bitaala. What's a supporters writers? Where did you start? Nkugamba. It is this unpredictability. Bw'oba olina entunno tolaba mupiira. Omupiira gunyuma gwawedde. Okitegeera? Omupiira gukunyumira gwawedde.
Lipulenga noganga
bakuwangudde dda mind yo nekola ki
nekakkana nesetulinga
you are going chicken hearted tolaba mupiira yes ofa nkugamba the day soccer will become less tense is the day it will lose value and the day it will become emotionless is the day it will become less attractive. Hence a great game of soccer is one of that combines all of the above aspects. Therefore, the Uganda versus Zambia match was a great game. It combined all of the factors of tension, emotion, and unpredictability up to the last minute. In that sense, rather than move on. You did not have inoculation. Ababukedde bakubanga abamu ono abakipolopolo bwe banamulabako ewabwe tebaliyo. African games used to travel with witches, especially in Nigeria.
Twabako wanene Rwanda byajja waneeno okusamba ne Uganda
ne wano mu 80s eyalogeranga vira yasulanga wali ku Alitamiira nga musajja mugolozi yes nga yalogera vira naye omusajja oli yali muzibu nnyo nga bw'aba agenda oggolola engoye tawulo tagiteeka ku mabega agiteeka wano n'atambula ng'akola bwati yali yabala omuloko wa vira. There was a time bafiira egindi bafiira ejjinja ab'ejjinja batta ente ne bagiteeka mu masaŋŋanzira bano balowoleza mu malogo n'ab'e Rwanda tujjukira akayibwa akajja ku Argentina Maradona yes witches
ninga bikola
anti bikola anti buli omu abirina anti kakati buli omu aleese eddogo kati kitegeeza eddogo terikyakola yefu ebere Muganda supports federal then the election factor shifts from federal to another to money pamwe namuli ba federal now obungo akiri wemba kubira kitange yatukuliranga 10 twalyanga mitwe jangege hapo tunao ate buli muntu yenna ewanga alya mutwe gwange
gikyalabikako munnaye kati giribo bagagge mitwe gyengege
bagenda ne bangamba omutwe gwengege ogula emitwalo 2 ne gw'etaano ngugula
era gwe gusobola omutwe gwengege naye kati awangi batasobola omutwe gwangege
nkugamba nti move on to destroy that achievement. Uganda ought to pat their own backs endeavor to consolidate and take it to another level. Like in war, business and politics, there is no easy or weak opponent.
Buli omu abeera tough.
Bugenda ne bagamba this is ekibinja ekya death. Tewali tiimu nnafu.
Group of death.
Aya.
Osanga ebigeza katiimu akabadde wansi
yakuba Germany. Greece yatwala ko European Cup.
Bungi nnyo.
Yes. Brazil bagikoledde ne waabwe ekikopo
nekigiremu okutwala.
So there is no weak team.
Okay.
There is no weak country. Kakati kutuwe. Lagataka amenga ya ADF. The powerful UPDF. Emaze banga cheko.
Banga
chali. Walk over.
Aha.
Hey.
Ira bacha sitana.
Yes.
The opponent.
Wali wona badanere kamwenje sumu bene muteka kutaka. Tali disparity zakola yaka. How can this man who sleeps in Zana defeat me? Me am not an international criminal suspect. That's what we intelligent. How about this man? Yes, he got the money, privileged the money. From getting money to the richest person in Uganda, you don't know what to spend. That's ice cream. You will never remain with this. Ndimudani wakajiji aja kufuna bukaka bono nga kitawe ya inachi. Poverty is gravity, you go back to poverty. Waliwo bwafu obululio. Ekusika.
Manyi.
I'm telling you.
Bakwina mu family njabwe tujja kusaba buli baavu.
Poverty. Abatujoza abatunyo kumitu abatunyaddeko. If you come from a poor family, waliwo bwavu obululio.
Bonga buli musayi.
Nga buli musayi. Ano sanga fwe. Aba ino lufuno. Tulita lufuno. Yes, lufuno. However much you suffocate me, I become harder. Baba de bagambi. Tumuyite lwaki ekyankwanzi adina usinge gundi ze dangling money. Never ngenda genda naye ni mutabani wa Kajiji. I was going to blow up. Mwandira beko ngenda naye. Evumu aliriyo de wali galubindi.
Wadogena na kabomu tachichi.
Is there anything that I cannot do? I can smash your head. That's why I have been avoiding them. I can give me the job akatabandika Kajiji. Museveni ampadde omulimo nemesi nali nkuta kasajja kaka abasenga. There is a job in a new vision, 50 million. Is it money? Dignity. Nali nkunyondo nkwasa omutumbu tumukunda abaganga. The president has given me a job. I'm going to take him when the Linja Kutta, Singawe Bakade Wakaji. No,
to get a mason.
Therefore, supporters to appreciate that there is no weak teams in soccer. There is no weak army in the world. The hitherto army of the superpower, America was in the early 1990s humiliated by Ragataga militia in Somalia. Yet, the other Ugandan troops, just a developing democracy, with no comparable measures to the American army at all, has decisively defeated the Al-Shabaab militants in Somalia. In soccer, certain teams are described as underdogs, but it is such that pull up surprises against the so-called giants. In politics, we have seen celebrated politicians losing to political novices. Poor candidates have succeeded, where rich fellows have tumbled. Mr. Tim Rwanga, a serving minister in this government, was defeated by Moses Kabusu, a freelance journalist in 2011. Miengo was defeated by his former driver. Former driver. Powerful Sempija. People laugh at him in his Mizinga. He was deflated by a mechanic, a metal mechanic in Igindi. One war. Erukaya. Bas Sempija budi wamulaba muku yala bandabirwamu. He is looking bas Sempija. Ni bwana bera mu bizinga kasajja. Ba
Kambre kutaka.
Kano kagundi akebitanda kapanga ngekitanda. Kakuba mama wanga Amiria. Ba politics, soccer and war. Bifanagana. There is no weak team. Never. Uyizo kusanga ekitimu nekikwesibako.
Kituufu.
Croatia yakuba Germany ne bagikoba newa. Cameroon yakuba Germany ne bagikoba mukundi. There is no weak team. never for a disparate army. Instead of this young man allowing me to get money, yasibanga nsibe. N'atamanya. Why didn't Museveni tell you to give me that money? Museveni wanted to destroy me. Wanted me to destroy you. That's what I have totally done.
It was deliberate.
Yerita Chibala. He must come and get money on my knees. Oh. Says Alawa going to Mumwese, the Empire Yenda. Yerita Yagala Rugwe. Yerita Be. Total destruction, which I have done. The moment Museveni allowed you to be listed on the international ICC court, they don't reason. This is why they don't reason. Why should Museveni allow a close relative to be indicted? Bali abantu 15 musambu lwachabala yabajja mugwe nakuleka.
Nosigalamu.
Jogoli koruka soruka sinaka rubindi soruka gwe temumanyi petubakubira kwaloga. I analyze the situation. If Museveni wanted to save this man, they were the initial list was 157. Why did he leave you there and it Mwebas? Yabatamwa. Kajja kuduka ate no bakoze ensobi bagambye mu tebajja genda
lwaki
bagenda andi Museveni yabakubye yali bolorizing covid byonna babadde babikola figures bakati tujja genda kakati bali bagambye tumwebaze yabadde ayina ogenda n'atagenda bamutaddeko bute ya $5 million
amukwata
ku mutabani gwa Kajiji nayogera wali
$5 million
abadde amantalira wafu agenze kutunda Sangobbe ate okumanya akasajja Kasiru Sangobbe tugimanyi weeyita batwaliddemu n'ettaka ly'abantu. I told the other this yesterday I'm going to chase you out. And now I'm tempted now to stand again. Ngobono matama buku. Batuleta matama buku tayina byayogera.
Asitse busirisi.
Asitse busirisi ng'abantu bewafe baba bonyabwe. I'm standing.
26 okomawo.
Yes.
Mzaita mala langidide. Bili abiri mukaga abantu be mu mulinda jja.
In business, customers can reject food from a posh restaurant and flock one downtown. How many Ugandan city tycoons who struggle to secure space at Nalongo's place in Katwe? They leave the comfortable sofas in the big hotels to struggle for a seat on a timber bench. Another important factor that affects us positively or negatively in politics, war, soccer, and business is the decision making. We all always make decisions, but decision making is a very important process. In fact, it is a whole chapter in political science.
Decision making.
Every decision is determined by the past, the future, experience, and it has a purpose. When Museveni first appoints you, Pete Kamya, as advisor Kampala n'akujjayo n'akufuula IGG ng'akimanyi ti sente ze za compensation mwazibira mu land come back and
jangu tereze biwasobya
gwe bakola mpaka
nti bampadde ngudde mu
reverse psychology or not
ngudde mu gufo I'm celebrating.
Why does Museveni continue providing me with the security they are there?
Gwe bali
ono yepangira ku motoka yange agijjemu amafuta n'enjirizayo tukuliyete baje mujjako ne sente baze mujjako. I create a contradiction for him because he is an arrogant man.
Yeah.
Akasisi katte enjovu. Enjovu kajiyingira
mukutu.
Negenda bwe miti yonna neefu. Enjovu yonna bwana enkwambula empale. Logic.
Okay.
Dikati ono omukazi bamujje mu mawulire. Nabagaita omukazi mulema Byencha. Byencha is saying you pay the woman called Namuli billions. Where is Namuli and his land? Atujje tukwate tukusirise mu mukwate omukozi babadde bamubya wa police bede egendi eri bino kadduka na police nedduka buli gwe munalumba bajja bakuba.
Okay.
How can you say this? Answer. This is a woman called Namuli. And he
is yes.
He inherited it from G. He bought it from G. Silence him. Yako programu zange family ya Kajiji eri Kiroji kitaawe ali kutuma tumwekole noti tumwebase kyolese mu family yamu kaba kutwale otembe bakutaddeko $5 million n'abasekere bebenyini bajja muwayi yaganye
kubona bagala ka center
bakoze ruling tetujja genda temujja genda somanya no gondi yali all our doctors tufune ebiwandiko mu medical gundi abasajja babasensera kasita Museveni yabawaayo 157 people mwe n'abalekayo nabali bakimanyi nti singa yali ayagala okubayamba yalikoze they wrote it to him first.
Okay.
Bajja kukyusa baminisita ba justice nekagenda mugendo nekatulayo n'olutulwako gwe atakuta wali tolinaku oyina ziwoteri oyinaki bw'atakuta wabaki nakuloga nabaloga
open ilo kyogedde.
Yes, how can omwana wa Uhuru abbate olusaniya lw'egundi nti with all of the wealth you have you engage in organic killings and external wound kati baji elevating to offense 28 years in prison omusajja mu Pakistan mu afiriye bamusanga ejimu implicates deeply Franka tumwebaza.
Okay, let's go ahead. Tumaze ensonga ya soke nobawulizaamu
ebbango ndikubye nendiwanika.
Yeah.
A decision must put in perspective the past, present, and the future. Help know that similar situations have resulted into. In a war, a general must decide when to attack, how to use air power, artillery, and when the foot soldiers should advance. He must understand the enemy power and the reaction abilities. While advancing, a general must ensure that his supply lines are safe and must be mindful of landmines and sudden ambushes. Similarly, a politician must know the mood of the electorate and what they expect from a candidate. A complete candidate must understand the issues that will determine the elections. This is why they decided to dump all the political alliances like Kenya and jump on new ones in order to reinvent themselves. Like they dropped DP and joined NOP.
Yeah.
Baba Chimazo Chiba. Politics is like swimming. You cannot swim towards a storm.
Aha.
Kati singa nze ndi muyiso singa mbuba ina political desk singa Museveni tumukolera before elections nawandika akatabo kange what will affect Museveni zigundi nempandika akatabo kange tumwebaze n'akakwata ne munne sente mbungende nolinja batta munyi muli bakawunawo nabadde mbatire ekyankwanzi ba muri omulambo gwe bali kusanze wali galubindi mutegeera nti mutujoze ekiyitiridde mutukonyeza ku kise 8 years of suffering. Museveni ezize kansere message ewange mbadde nja ku blowing up. You were lucky. Musente muzijja mu government. Akati nkugamba. Nenkugamba. On the other side, a businessman must decide whether to bring in new commodities for Christmas or not. Whether the economic situation allows the customers to buy new clothes or not. That's a businessman. That's a businessman. A general mukubuli. Money will be spent on edibles. Kati toyiza kuleta masuti.
Toyiza kuleta masuti.
Nga attention y'abaana yonna yakulya.
Yakulya mbeni.
Kakati oba musiru. And the businessman, like a war, like a chi, they are playing with the lives like a medical doctor.
Yeah.
Must decide whether Caesarean or not. You are running against time.
True.
Yes. Nkugamba. This is a problem in Uganda. Many businessmen interests attribute low salaries, even on big days, to poverty and Museveni. This is not true. They have failed to study the dynamics of an emerging middle class. The class does not buy according to the calendar. They buy whenever they get money and when a new fashion is arrive on the market. The traditional buyers who had to buy their wives new clothes on Eid, Christmas, Easter, and other big days have given way to the middle class. Secondly, the middle class is mindful of their health because it's very expensive to follow sick. So, they prefer to buy from supermarkets as opposed to ordinary markets. Even where there is strong places like Narongozi place, like earlier mentioned, for the traditional meals, they do not compromise hygiene conditions. Our friend, the Uganda Cranes coach, must be a good decision maker because any blunder in decision making is fatal. The game lasts for only 90 minutes in a very tense atmosphere with the fans who have high expectations of either win or they lose. But good fans have to respect the other team as well, and this acts as a shock absorber in the case of defeat. It is such fans that return to normal life very quickly after defeat. They don't suffer heart attacks to an extent they were prepared for any outcome. They know that the other team also badly needed a win as they did, and were chasing the same trophy. A good coach, therefore, like an army general, must study the enemy's area of strength and how to neutralize them. He must be very careful while making substitutes. A coach is a kejino. It's a businessman. You are playing with your money. Yes, you are geno. Nabagamba. In addition, the coach must understand the crucial departments of the team, like a general. In modern armies, some talented soldiers are specifically selected for suicide assignments. Names for such specialized departments differ between countries. Some countries call them special forces. In America, they are the Navy SEALs, and in Iraq, Saddam Hussein called them the Republican Guards. These can fight behind the enemy lines, rescue hostages from enemy groups, and rescue hijacked planes and other unused assignments. It is the Navy SEALs who killed Bin Laden. The attack with decisive swiftness and accuracy. I'm tempted to compare soccer stars to this army group. Soccer stars must be like special forces.
Why?
Yes, because of the assignment. Soccer stars are a coach must like it, special forces.
Okay.
Who can fight behind the enemy.
Bagenda kola specified assignment.
Yes. Nkugamba